Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So now there's this algo I created recently and it's on the last stages before I deploy it into the market or into my real account. And the thing is, I found something very interesting about it. So I don't know if you're gonna believe it or not, but for me it's something very interesting, okay? Now, first of all, it's a scalping algo or robot. And this here is very promising, I must say that. So basically in this video, I'm just gonna take you through the backtest and then later, if you're interested, you can tell me in the comments and then I will give it to you if you want it, okay? But for now, let's do the backtest and see and analyze the backtest. And for now, I'm not going to show you the inputs because it's not all that important because you don't have it anyway. But yeah, let's begin the test. Okay, so I'm starting with $100 and I'm using the leverage amount that my broker offers me or what my account has, which is 1:1,000. Also, I'm going to start the test from 2014, that is last year, January 1st to current date today, which is June date 3. Okay. And we'll have zero latency. And then I'm going to model it after every tick. The symbol in mine is gold because that's what I like to use most of the time, but we can use it in any other currency or pair. So let's see what's gonna come up. I think I should add music so that it doesn't get boring, or should I speed it up? I wanted you to see the trades taking place one by one, so I don't see the need to speed up. Also, I'm gonna add the graph below here, but let me put on some music maybe so that you don't get bored, okay? It won't take that long. I hope. I hope. At this point, let me talk about um, a risk manager tool, so you can check it on the description bar below. Wow, so far we are at May and it has already hit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just want you to see what it will end up being because this is insane. I was actually shocked when I ran the first test and then I was like, something may be wrong. And then I checked everything that I did because sometimes some of these CAs can lie to you somehow. But yeah, I had to look and second guess myself quite a lot. It was stressing me out. But the good thing is it really wasn't a lie. Okay? And that's the good thing about EAs, you can backtest them. I think that is one of the best things about having a strategy being automated, because testing is amazing. And now you just need to do the third test or put it in the real markets with at least a smaller amount than normal or what you're willing to risk at that time, and you see how it plays out. So good. Okay, now we are at about 6 million. 6 milli. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see. I don't know if you want me to speed up. I don't know. Are you bored or something? I don't know. Should I speed it up or no? Let's see. I think it's almost done. Oh, it's in October. So the 2024 year hasn't ended yet, and we are seeing massive growth. So again, this may not be typical results because if we deploy it in a real broker, it may not happen like this. Let me not lie to you, because we have things like spread and swaps. But since it's a scalping year, no need to worry about swaps. The main problem is the spreads, and it may vary from broker to broker. So yeah, right now we are at 10 milli. Oh my goodness. Guys, do you think this is real? Is this real? Tell me, is this real? Or are we dreaming? Because, guys, I think it's fun when you are able to transfer your strategy into an EA, because some of these things become easier. You can go as way back as, I don't know when the markets began. You can go 10 years earlier, prior, 20 years prior, to see how the strategy was working. You can go 3 months, you can go 1 month, and so on. So it's interesting. It's interesting to see the back tests, and it can all be done by having such an algorithmic program, because it helps a lot, to be honest. All you need now to worry about is to have the capital to deploy the EA to it, and then you just sit and watch and observe. If any mistakes come up, you just rectify and move on, okay, and continue letting it work. And it's over. Now we have ended at a very big number, 21M. So let me take you to the backtest charts. Now we started at $100, we ended at $21.9 million. You can see the profit factor is 1 is to 97, which is almost to 2. Sharper ratio is 17.96. Oh my goodness. I'll share with you Sharper ratio video later in the near future. Total trades were 8,944. Our win rate is 85% win rate. And then our largest profit trade is 95, 900. Lost trade is 38,200. What else do you need to know at the backtest? There's so much. Actually, all this information is important. It's traded the Asia, because I'm in East Africa, so we can trade Asia, London, and New York time session. And then all this information is important, but I won't bore you a lot with it. So just tell me, this was just a fun a fun video I wanted to show you guys, but if you're interested to know more, just let me know. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.